Come with me to the corner store. Okay, let me fix this. Come with me to the corner store. I'm going to get some bags. Some garbage bags. I'm taking you on the journey. I am taking you on the journey with me. So you see, I have to cross a trench to go into the next village. So this is the bridge I'm walking on. And now I'm in the next village. And I am going to get some garbage bags. I'm going to this store right here. I need some garbage bags and I also need some, sometimes I collect old boxes, but I don't see them having any. So this is the thing, the shopkeeper there. Morning. Morning. You got garbage bag in the packet? How much for the packet? The store man me wait for him to tell me how much for the packet. But you not got box? You not got box where you not use? Wait, you not sell them in the packet no more? Are the same thing? How much it is? The shopkeeper look confused. Okay. All right. I'm gonna pay now and that's it, guys.